better. It isn't just a word, it's a declaration, a pursuit, a mindset, a commitment to never resting on your laurels. It's the force that drives innovation. Better is the word that led us to developing this, the B14 Squared Crest. We could have been satisfied with the reputation of unflinching ruggedness and unwavering accuracy that the B14 series built, but we knew we could make it even better. Using techniques originally developed for the aeronautics industry, we built this carbon stock with industry-leading technologies, bringing space-age rigidity and ultra-lightweight performance down to Earth and into your hands. So where do we go from here? Anywhere.